Please like and subscribe for more videos. Tennessee Code Annotated, Section 3913-113. Violation of an order of protection or restraining order. Subsection A. It is an offense to knowingly violate 1. An order of protection issued pursuant to Title 36, Chapter 3, Part 6, or 2. A restraining order issued to a victim as defined in Section 36.3601. Subsection B. A person violating this section may be arrested with or without a warrant as provided in Section 36.3.611, and the arrest shall be conducted in accordance with the requirements of Section 36.3.619. Subsection C. A person who is arrested for a violation of this section shall be considered within the provisions of Section 4011-150A and subject to the 12-hour holding period authorized by Section 4011-150H. Subsection D. After a person has been arrested for a violation of this section, the arresting officer shall inform the victim that the person has been arrested and that the person may be eligible to post bond for the offense and may be released until the date of trial for the offense. Subsection E. Neither an arrest nor the issuance of an arrest or capias for a violation of this section in any way affects the validity or enforceability of any order of protection, restraining order, or no contact order. Subsection F. In order to constitute a violation of subsection A, 1. The person must have received notice of the request for an order of protection or restraining order. 2. The person must have had an opportunity to appear and be heard in connection with the order of protection or restraining order. And 3. The court made specific findings of fact in the order of protection or restraining order that the person committed domestic abuse, sexual assault, or stalking as defined in Section 36.3.601 or was convicted of a felony offense under Chapter 13, Part 1, 2, 3, or 5 of this title. Subsection G. A violation of subsection A is a Class A misdemeanor. Notwithstanding Section 40.35.111(e)(1), a violation of subsection A is punishable by a fine of not less than $100 nor more than $2,500, and any sentence of incarceration imposed shall be served consecutively to the sentence for any other offense that is based in whole or in part on the same factual allegations. However, the sentencing judge or magistrate may specifically order the sentences for the offenses arising out of the same facts to be served concurrently. Subsection H. 1. It is an offense and the violation of an order of protection for a person to knowingly possess a firearm while an order of protection that fully complies with 18 U.S.C. Section 922 G8 is entered against that person and in full effect, or any successive order of protection containing the language of Section 36.3.606F and that fully complies with 18 U.S.C. Section 922 G8 is entered against that person and in effect. 2. For purposes of this subsection H, the determination of whether a person possesses firearms shall be based upon the factors set in Section 36.3.625F. If the firearms constitute the business inventory or are subject to the National Firearms Act, 26 U.S.C. Section 5801 et seq. 3. A violation of this subsection H is a Class A misdemeanor, and each violation constitutes a separate offense. 4. If a violation of subsection H also constitutes a violation of Section 36.3.625H or Section 3917.130.7F, the respondent may be charged and convicted under any or all sections. Subsection I. 1. It is an offense to knowingly violate a no-contact order issued prior to a defendant's release on bond, following the defendant's arrest for any criminal offense defined in this chapter, in which the alleged victim of the offense is a domestic abuse victim as defined in Section 36.3.601. 2. A violation of subdivision I-1 is a Class A misdemeanor. A sentence imposed must be served consecutively to the sentence for the offense for which the defendant was originally arrested, unless the sentencing judge or magistrate specifically orders the sentences for the offenses to be served concurrently. Thank you for watching. I hope this reading was clear and helped you understand the statute. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Remember, this is an educational reading and not legal advice. Always consult a qualified attorney for specific legal concerns. Have questions or suggestions for future topics? Drop them in the comments below. Stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.